this is my final project for CS50. The requirements I had for the project was to gather metrics every 30 minutes past each hour of the day from dev.to, which is a blog site for all of my articles. I wanted it to store the data in a database so I could visualize it by top 10 viewed articles, top 10 liked articles, top 10 commented on articles, and all views for all articles. I did this using two solutions. Part one was to use dev.to API to gather the information. That would be triggered by using a Django web app to perform the data collection and processing. In turn, a cron job was used to actually trigger the collection of the data using a specific route on the server, and then the data will be stored in a SQLite database. After that, I wanted to be able to visualize the data using a Jupyter notebook. So I'll just show you that working now. So first part is the user interface for registering an account. So you can register, you can put an API key in. Once you've done that, it'll show you profile information from dev.to, ask you for a password, and you're done. So it's a relatively straightforward UI for it. That's all it'll show, but that's the basic part of it. Once that's in, a curl command will be run every 30 minutes. It'll look something like this. It'll take a few seconds to run. Done. But it will give out a little bit of output as well. Once that's done, you can then look at the visualize data. So the first part is it will import required modules. So SQLite, matplotlib, numpy, pandas, plotly. Set a theme for plotly, which is a dark theme. So all the charts will be in a dark themed appearance. Connect to the SQL database. Import a bunch of SQL queries that I've got in a separate file. Collect the required data from the database. So this is just basically all the data points that I need for each of the requirements that I mentioned. And then we can visualize the data. So we've got top 10 most viewed, then top 10 liked, top 10 most commented, and then scrolling down all of the data points which you can navigate freely. You can do it by day, month, 6 months, year, all of them. And you can select which ones you want to see down the right hand side. So that's been my project for CS50. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.